Okay. So gametophyte is haploid. So gametophyte will produce two kind of gametes. Okay, male and female gametes. So it will produce two kind of gametes. So male and female. Okay. So male will be produced and female gamete will be produced. Male gamete and female gamete. Okay. So male gamete and female gamete will be produced on the gametophyte. Okay. Then this will undergo fusion. So male and female both will undergo fusion with each other, and that is called as syngamy. Okay. So male gamete, female gamete both will fuse together. So that is called as syngamy. Okay. So fusion of male gamete and female gamete. Okay. So that is called as syngamy. Syngamy. Okay. So syngamy. So both male and female will fuse together. Okay. So that is called as syngamy. So that after fusion, okay, male and female gamete will fuse. That is called as zygote. So zygote will be formed. So as you know, in algae there is zygotic meiosis. So this zygote is diploid, and this will remain for very short period of time. Okay. So this remains for very short period of time, zygote. So there will be meiosis in zygote. Okay. So meiosis will occur. Meiosis will occur, and this will give rise to four different haploid cell. So after meiosis, so one diploid cell will give rise to four haploid cell. So meiosis 1, then meiosis 2. Okay. So meiosis 2 will produce four haploid cell. Okay. Four haploid cell will be produced. Okay. Now this haploid cell, so they will get converted into gametophyte. So they will grow separately and they will get converted into a gametophyte. Okay. So this is called as haploid haplontic stage. Okay. So here you can divide this. So this is diploid stage. Okay. So this is diploid, which remains for very short period of time. Fine. So this will remain for very short period of time. Okay. Okay, so this is diploid stage which is present here. This is diploid. Then this will be haploid. Okay. So haploid is predominant. Predominant. Okay, predominant stage is haploid. So most of the period is occupied by the haploid only. Okay. So diploid is formed only after male and female gamete will fuse. Okay. So this is called as gametogenesis. Formation of male and female gamete is known as gametogenesis. Okay. So gametogenesis will occur and there will be formation of male gamete and female gamete. So both will fuse. So fusion of male and female gamete is known as syngamy. Okay. So syngamy is nothing but fusion of male and female gamete. Okay. Syngamy. 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 Okay. So fusion of male and female gamete is known as syngamy. Fine. So after fusion of male and female gamete, it forms a zygote. So zygote is diploid. So this diploid zygote will undergo meiosis. So zygotic meiosis is seen only in algae. Okay, zygotic meiosis. So it undergo zygotic meiosis. So zygotic meiosis is only seen in algae where zygote undergoes meiosis. So most of the time zygote will undergo mitosis. So once zygote is formed, it forms embryo. But here there is no formation of embryo. Okay. So zygote will undergo meiosis in algae. So in other case, zygote will undergo multiplication, mitosis. But here meiosis will take place, zygotic meiosis. Then it will give rise to a haploid spore, and again it will germinate into gametophyte. So dominating is haploid stage. Okay. So, and diploid stage will remain for only few amount of time. Formation of zygote, then immediately meiosis will take place. Okay. So haplontic life cycle. So in this phase, haploid gametophyte is long lived. Okay, so this haploid stage is long lived, and diploid stage is only formed after the fertilization. So gametophyte, so main thallus will produce both male and female gamete. Okay, so either it is produced on same thallus or two different organism will produce two different kind of spores. So one will produce male and the other one will produce female. Okay, so both will fuse with each other, then it is called as syngamy. Okay, so that is called as haploid life cycle. Okay, so haploid life cycle where haploid stage is dominating. Okay, or long lived. So it is long lived. Okay, and this one is short lived. So diploid stage is short lived. Okay, so first one is haploid life cycle. So second one is diploid diplontic life cycle. Okay, so second one, I'll rub this and write second one is diplontic life cycle. Okay, second one is diplontic life cycle. Okay, so in this phase, okay, diploid sporophyte stage is long lived. So second one is diplontic life cycle. Rub this. So this is first one. This is diagram for haploid. So fertilization and syngamy difference, sir. Fertilization and syngamy. Fertilization. Fertilization means fusion of male and female gamete. Okay. So fusion of male and female. So that is called as fertilization. Okay. So after fusion of male and female, it forms zygote. Okay. So fusion of male and female gamete is known as fertilization. So syngamy means same. Okay. So fertilization between male and female, that only is known as syngamy. Male female gamete fuse together. Okay. So you can call it as this process by which male and female gamete come together. Process. Okay. Fusion of male and female gametes to form a zygote is fertilization. Yeah. So male and female will join together and they form a zygote. So that is called as fertilization. Okay, same, both are same. Both are same. So there is no difference. So syngamy is also same. Fusion of male and female gamete. So that is called as syngamy. So another word which is used for syngamy. Okay. For fertilization, another word is syngamy. Fine. So diplontic life cycle. Okay, so diplontic life cycle, second one. So in this phase, okay, in this phase, okay, so diploid sporophyte stage, diploid sporophyte stage. Okay, diploid sporophyte stage is long lived in the life cycle. So this will be long lived, okay, in the life cycle. In the life cycle. So example is gymnosperm and angiosperm. What is gametogenesis? Shravan bhai. Gametogenesis. Formation of gamete is called as gametogenesis. Gametogenesis. Okay. By meiosis. Formation of gametes. Now diploid cell will be there. Now for example in mammals or in humans. So we have testis. Okay. So in male, there will be a testis. So inside we have something called as tubules, which is called as seminiferous tubules. Okay. So inside this tubule, germination of sperm will take place, or formation of sperms will take place inside seminiferous tubule. Okay. So this seminiferous tubule, okay, so this will have some diploid. So this area is there outside, so that will have diploid cells. Okay, so these cells are diploid 2n. So this outer cell, which is called as germinal epithelium, so that is called as germinal epithelium. So they undergo meiosis. So this diploid cell will undergo meiosis. Okay, so after meiosis there is formation of 4 haploid sperms. Okay, so sperms will be produced. So this process is called as gametogenesis. So there is formation of gametes from diploid cell, okay, inside the testis. So this is testis. So inside you have seminiferous tubule. Okay, so these are the tubule, and they have layer which is called as germinal epithelium. So this germinal epithelium is diploid in nature. So that will help in formation of 4 male gametes, or their meiosis will undergo. So after meiosis there will be formation of 4 male gametes. Okay, formation, spermatogenesis and gametogenesis are same. Both are same. Spermatogenesis means formation of sperm. Gametogenesis means it will be for both. Formation of male gamete as well as female gamete. Okay, so formation of male gamete as well as female gamete, so both will come under gametogenesis. Okay, this will come under gametogenesis, formation of male gamete, formation of female gamete. So they are classified under gametogenesis because both are gametes only, but this one is small, this one is big, only size is different. Okay, so male gamete is small, female gamete is large, but both come under the process which is called as gametogenesis. So here if male gamete is produced, that is called as spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis. Formation of male gamete is called as spermatogenesis. Formation of female gamete, that is formation of ovum or egg, so that is called as oogenesis. Okay, formation of egg or ovum, that is called as oogenesis. Okay, so gametogenesis in common for male gamete formation and female gamete formation. So spermatogenesis and oogenesis, they come under gametogenesis. Understood? So classification. So in this phase, okay, diploid sporophyte stage is long lived in the life cycle. Fine. So this example is okay, sorry, diplontic. For diplontic, it is gymnosperm and angiosperm. So example, gymnosperm and angiosperm. Okay, gymnosperm and angiosperm. So these are the two examples for diplontic life cycle. Okay, so diplontic life cycle is, yeah, angiosperm and gymnosperm. Okay, so both comes under diplontic life cycle. So here in diplontic life cycle, okay, so sporophyte is dominating stage. What is the time? 3 minutes is remaining. So sporophyte is dominating stage. So sporophyte is considered as 2n. Okay. So this sporophyte in angiosperm, as you know, so this will develop a flower. Okay. So flower is a reproductive part in angiosperm. So it will develop a flower which will have both male and female sex organ. Okay. So here what happens? Gametogenesis will take place. Gametogenesis means formation of female gamete and male gamete, because flowers are bisexual. Flowers are bisexual. Okay, so both the sex organ male and female will be present on the same flower. Okay, so if it forms gametogenesis in anther, that means pollen grains will be formed, and gametogenesis if it takes place in the gynoecium, female gamete, that is embryo sac, will be formed. Okay, so that already I have explained about formation of embryo sac. Okay, so sporophyte is the main plant body in angiosperm. Okay, then gametogenesis will take place in the flower. So wherever there is sex organ, so sex organ of angiosperm is flower. Okay, so there gametogenesis will take place, so that will undergo meiosis. So here meiosis will take place. Okay, so meiosis will give rise to 4 haploid cell. So 4 haploid cells will be formed after the meiosis. Okay, yeah. So after that there is, so this is called as haploid stage, when there are formation of 4 different kind of haploid cells. So this, you can draw it like this section you can make. So this is haplontic stage in angiosperm, so that will live for very short period. So formation of pollen grain or formation of egg, that is called as haploid. Okay, so now these spores are haploid in nature. N, okay, it is derived as n. Okay, fine. So this is haploid stage in this box, haploid. So after formation of gametes, so that is called as haploid stage. Either pollen grain or egg, okay, is formed. So that is haploid. Then next step is there will be fusion of male and female gamete. Okay. So next, both male and female gamete will fuse together. Okay. So male and female will fuse together. So next there is syngamy, okay, occurring. So syngamy will occur. So you can write here syngamy, fusion of male and female gamete. Okay. So you can write here male, female. Okay. So fusion of male and female gamete is called as syngamy. So after syngamy there is formation of zygote. Okay. So zygote is diploid. Fine. So this zygote will give rise to a sporophyte. So it will develop into an embryo, and then embryo will develop into, so the embryo is nothing but clusters of cell. So zygote will develop into